Hi guys, we're back going out and my delivery came and I decided to do the unboxing with you guys. So let's see what's inside today. I think I figured it out. So here's another H&M unboxing. If you know me very well, if you follow me on my socials, you will know I love H&M and I do a lot of shopping from them. And I just like their minimalistic kind of clothes and everything. H&M deliver a lot for me, you understand. So I love them very much. So for today, let's see what we have in here. The first item we have in here, okay, is this jean. This jean. Yeah. I'm coming. Just keep it. I'll come and try this. Is this jean I got in the size UK 46. They labeled it wide, regular, ultra high jeans for curvy girls. I don't know. So this is it. I really can't do a try on for you guys because I'm going somewhere where the parcel arrives. So this is it. I think I love the gray denim already because the one I ordered from Zara, I had to return it back because it was too long and I hate like taking my jean for tailoring and all that. So this, I think it will be perfect for my length or size. I don't really know. The second item we have in here, let's see what we have in here. Okay, this is a blazer that I ordered for my son. I think I love it. It's nice. I picked this up in the size 5 to 6 years because the dad told me that I should not order like 2. He wanted it to be fitted on him, and I think this will go really well for him. This is it. The material is very nice, very soft, very light. In winter you can layer it up. For summer you can just pair it with a white t-shirt underneath it. It's very, very nice. I like the material. The next item, okay, I think this is the pants. This is the pants for the suit. Yeah, this is the pants for the suit. It's nice. This one is on the long side, but we'll figure it out. I picked this one up in the size 5 to 6 years also. It's nice, very light material and very nice. Anyway, what we have in here, okay, this one is a denim short for my son also. Wow, I think this is too big or too long. Rather, H&M with their children's clothes, sometimes they just don't come close to what I need. This is just too, anyway, we'll figure it out. It's nice. The denim short is nice. We'll still keep it. And the last item is this this bag. It's nice. I got this bag for someone really special. It's not for me. I got it as a gift for someone special, and I hope the person likes it because I love it too. Very nice, spacious, and the leather is okay, soft. Yeah, that's the haul we have for today. I hope you guys are enjoying my unboxing video. Stay tuned, like, share, comment, and help us share our video. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next unboxing, or rather I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, if there's anything you guys want us to bring or want us to share here or something, just feel free to drop it under the comment section. Anything you think we're not doing right, feel free to drop it under the comment section. Okay, bye for now guys. I'll see you in our next video. Share, like, and comment.